Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video demonstration, we will see how to map network drive using group policy. Before we proceed, let me give you a brief introduction about drive mapping. Okay friends, so what is drive mapping? Drive mapping is used to locate directories, files or objects and other programs. It is needed by end user, administrators and various other operators or group to share and store file locally. So guys, for this demonstration I am using two machines. One is DC machine and second machine we will be using for testing purpose, which will be client machine. So guys, without any delay, let's jump to our DC machine. Okay friends, so now we are on our domain controller. Now we will open server manager, click on start. We'll click on server manager. On server manager, we will click on tools and now we'll click on Active Directory users and computers. On Active Directory users and computers, for this demonstration, I have created one OU with the name of marketing, and inside marketing, I have created one user named George. We will use this user to test our network drive. I have put George inside a security group marketing users. So let me show you. We will right click on marketing users, click on properties, we'll click on members, and as you can see, George is member of this security group. So we'll click on OK. Now we'll close this. Okay friends, so now we'll go to our My Computer and we have only one drive inside our DC. We will double click on this and I have created one folder with the name of marketing data. I will right click on this. We'll go to properties. We'll click on sharing, click on advanced sharing, we'll check the box, share this folder, click on permissions, we'll click on add, click on advanced, click on find now, and we will search for our security group. We'll select security group marketing users. We'll select this, we'll click on OK, and now we'll click on OK, and we'll give it a permission of change and read. We'll click on apply and we'll click on OK. On advanced sharing, click on apply and click on OK. So as you can see, our network path is / DC1 marketing data. Now we'll click on close. We'll close this. Now we'll click on tools. Click on group policy management. On group policy management, we'll click on domains. We'll expand kaptechpro.local. We will right click on marketing. And we'll click on create a GPO in this domain and link it here. We will give a name to GPO. We will give a name marketing GPO and we'll click on OK. So as you can see, our GPO is created, and now we will right click on marketing GPO. We'll click on add it. On user configuration, we'll click on preferences. We will click on Windows setting and we will right click on drive maps. Click on new and we'll click on mapped drive. From action list, we will select create. Under the location, we will enter the drive location. We'll go to our C drive, right click on this, click on properties, under sharing and select the network path. Copy this and we will enter the shared folder location. Check the box of reconnect. And now we have to select the drive letter. We can select any drive letter. For this demonstration, I will select N. On hide show this drive, we'll select show this drive. And hide show all drives, we will select show all drives. Click on apply and we'll click on OK. Okay friends, so now we'll jump to our client machine and we will log in with credentials of George and we'll see if we are able to access our network drive. Okay friends, so as you can see, we are now on our client machine. We will log in with George credentials. So we'll click on other user. We will enter the username. We will enter the password now. So friends, as you can see, now we have logged in with the credentials of George. So now we'll go to My Computer. And on this PC, you can see our network drive is there with the name of marketing data. So we'll double click on this. We'll go back. And we will put some data inside this network drive. So I will copy these three files. We'll open our network drive and I will paste these files inside our network drive. So as you can see, these files are now inside our network drive. We'll go back. Okay friends, so now we will jump to our domain controller and we will see if we are able to see the data which we have put inside our network drive. Okay friends, so now we are back on our domain controller and we will open my computer. We'll open our C drive. Under C drive, we will click on marketing data. Okay, so as you can see, the data which George have entered inside our network drive, we can see that data on domain controller as well. So guys, by this way you can create network drive using group policy management, and you can share data with your team members and with other users as well. So guys, that's it for this video demonstration. I hope you all have understood how to create network drive using group policy management. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.